Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi Note 15, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. So, to get started, first of all, turn off your device by holding power button and volume up, which will bring up your boot options, and in here we're gonna just swipe up to turn off our device. Give it a moment, and we're gonna now hold power button, and I believe it's going to be volume up. Take a grain of salt, I don't exactly remember, so we're gonna test the first one. Power volume up. You can let go of the power button when the Mi logo shows up. And I was correct, so it is the volume up, great. Now in here, this is our recovery mode. In here we can perform a couple options like Reboot, which takes us back to Android. Wipe data, which consists of just wiping all data and only that. And then you can also connect with Mi Assistant as a program. So you can see clearly here, we will need to use volume buttons to navigate up or down depending on which volume button you press. And power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. So anyway, I'm going to stick with the reboot, which is already selected. So I'm going to press power button, reboot to system. So again, power button, and this will now bring me back to Android, as there's not much more to show in here. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.